Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygos here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about the total market cap, guys, and we're going to check what's going on there, right? Because that's obviously the whole market, including Bitcoin and all the altcoins. So we're on coinsignals.trade here. I got all my indicators on here. Let me just hide them so we have a bit more screen space. I got my RSI and I got my MACD, right? So this is looking on the 4 hour. If we look on the daily, it looks like this. This looks very tight, right, guys? I mean, we're bound to see some kind of explosion, whether it's down or up, right? Because we're getting to the end of this triangle. It's that simple, right? I mean, it's just getting very, very, very tight. Well, our support will lay around here. You know, you see, like, here was our low. If we pop up, our resistance will lay like up here, right? So about 240 billion or so. And our support lays around 185 billion or so. So that is kind of where we can go from here. Okay. So just do keep that in mind. At the moment, of course, we're just dropping a tiny bit, but that's on not much volume, alright, guys? So yeah, it's literally waiting game, right? Until we break. I'd say upwards. Alright, guys. I think we will go up and check out this 240 billion again, and you know, see how the market reacts there. See if we can finally break out of that. If we can, then of course our next targets are around up here, right? 300 billion or so. It's that simple. Okay, so that is kind of where the market wants to go. I also have a Fibonacci on here, and you can see we went to about the 61865 zone here, right? And then we popped back up. So that's kind of what the market's doing. Then it went down again, and now we're around this 0.5. So we're around the halfway ratio, and that's what's interesting. But we're just above it, which is a bullish sign. So I do think we will go, you know, check out this 240 billion once again. If not, then we will fall, and the support should be around 185, 186. Every day you should take a look at this, guys, because this is your entire market cap. Of course, you have coins that outperform it, but you also have coins that just follow it, and some coins just underperform, right? When the market's bullish and you have a coin that's underperforming, that's not good, right? You definitely want to have a coin that's doing well. So yeah, this is definitely something you need to take a look at, guys, right? That is, let's see. So if we actually go upwards here, right? We do have some resistance before we get to 240. We obviously have it around here, right? There's definitely resistance around there. Let me just take the fib swing the other way around, and we'll take a look at that. Okay, so we take our fib swing from the top to the bottom, right? There we go. So now what you can see is that the 61865 zone is definitely going to be some kind of hurdle here. You know, we have the 0.5 first to get through if you take from top to bottom. What the other swing was basically the other way around, right? So it was from this bottom to this top. Now we took it from this top to this bottom. So yeah, the 0.5 is going to be our first little resistance here at 213 billion, and then the 618 at 220, 219, 220. If we get above the 6.5, then I'm pretty bullish, and I do think we can get all the way up to 240 then. You know, and that's kind of how it is. After that, we have targets here at the 1.272 around what is this, 255, and we have the 1.618, 275 billion, and then of course we have the other zone that I was talking about, right, at around $300 billion. So that is kind of like what I'm looking at right now on the complete market cap of cryptocurrency. So I mean, it's a short video, guys, but just wanted to let you know what I saw on the total market cap. And yeah, that's that. Alright, guys. Also, I have a Patreon page, which is patreon.com/pygos. You can check it out, check which tier fits you, and you know, if you, when you get the benefits, guys, basically just send me a message on Discord or on Telegram, and I'll help you out with the 5 charts or with the one-on-one call if you have that. right? But do keep in mind, guys, that patrons get paid, that I get paid at the next month. So let's say you subscribe right now, then you will get it right in November. You can ask for it. So someone who, let's say, becomes a patron in the start of the month will need to wait nearly a whole month, because that's how long Patreon takes. And of course, that's just how it works. All right, guys. So that's that. Also, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? Let's see what's going on here. All right, let's see. What is this? We have GVT here. Yeah, it needs to break out there. And then we have another GVT chart. What is this? We got MDA. So this was a descending triangle. It got a little bit above it, but now we're back into this line when I looked at it. So that's kind of what's going on there. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find an ICO, I'll tell you guys about it to whitelist for it, so you are ready for the sale. But at the moment, don't expect any ICOs from me, because both Ethereum and NEO are still very low priced, and that means your ICO needs to do very well. What I do look for in an ICO is a strong team. I look for low token metrics. It's because we can flip it easy then. And of course, I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols, because they simply outperform all the other categories. Alright, guys. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygos, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygos. Both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.